Hello people, I'm Sangamitra. So we came to Delhi thinking we'll eat the best chole kulche, but from overrated food to Gurgaon heat, gym session and ending the day with two coffees, this blog has everything. Our first step in Delhi, and the first thing my husband wanted was Lotan ke chole kulche in Chandni Chowk. So we went through these small galiyan, super crowded, but that's the vibe of Chandni Chowk. I think I burned more calories walking in Chandni Chowk than I gained from those oily chole kulche. He made me explore every gully in Chandni Chowk, and for what? Oily, spicy chole kulche? And finally, we reached Lotan Ke Kulche. But honestly, I did not like it much. It was too spicy, too oily, and after eating it, my mouth taste was completely off. So, we did not want to end our food experience like that. So, we went to Sitaram Divanchan because this place has never disappointed us. And as expected, it was perfect. So, we had chole bhature with lassi, and this actually fixed my mood. So after that, we started heading towards Gurgaon to stay at our friend's place. And on the way, I saw my old office area. So I used to work night shifts here, and my pickup used to happen around 1 a.m. So Delhi to Gurgaon at night, 3 times a week. Back then it felt normal, but now when I think about it, I feel like how did I even do that? So we just arrived at our friend's place. So this is Anshuma and she has been with me since hostel days. She was junior to my roommates, but slowly everyone started loving her. She is very sweet, very kind, and people actually used to think she is my younger sister. And honestly, we do look a little similar. So next day, we took out our friend's Continental GT bike and I was literally doing everything. Map, helmet, phone, and also learning how to sit on that bike. So yeah, I could not shoot much there. We stopped for chole samosa, but suddenly one guy fainted there because of that heat. It was so hot in Gurgaon, like seriously unbearable. So today we went to Invins Mall and that was very huge mall. So we visited a few shops, looked around and tried some things. And after shopping, we already have a ticket because my husband is very huge fan of Michael Jackson. So we decided to watch that movie. And the movie was actually so good. The music, the performance, everything was amazing. But there's one problem. We forgot to shoot anything inside the theater. Not even one clip. We were so busy enjoying the movie that we completely forgot about recording. And now I'm honestly regretting it because the theater experience was too good. But sometimes living the moment is also important, right? So me and my husband always try a gym where we visit a new place. Earlier, whenever my husband used to travel somewhere, he would always find a gym and work out there. And honestly, I used to think that does he go there for traveling or for working out? But after I also started going to the gym, now I finally understand him. That it automatically feels like let's try the gym in this new place too. So later on we went to gym. That gym name was Anytime Fitness. I would say that gym was very spacious. The gym equipment was in very good condition. So I did push up because me and my husband doing upper body workout. So these days I'm struggling to do push up because my wrist is not in very good condition. So I'm just taking it easy. And also Anshuma did mixed workout because she is starting again after a long time. So no matter where we go, gym is always part of our routine. So my husband asked me to spot him on the bench press, and now I understand why he hesitated. I almost dropped the bar. So after marriage, I gained some weight, but now I'm finally able to stay regular with my workouts and diet. It's honestly not very easy because sometimes we have to go somewhere, and sometimes people invite us out for food. But now I'm slowly getting back on track, and I'll also start sharing my gym blogs from now on. So after the gym, we were feeling super hungry, and Anshuma wanted us to try South Indian food. So she took us to Nivedyam, which is a really good South Indian restaurant there, and they serve proper authentic South Indian food, and even their staff dresses in traditional South Indian attire. And the best part is, no matter what you order, they serve complimentary chach and rasam too. That was so yummy. After all that, we went to Nivedyam for South Indian food because my husband likes it very much. And we ordered a lot of items, and the food was 10 on 10 from my side and from everyone. But the best part, I had two filter coffees one after another, and no regrets at all. So this was our day, full of food, memories, heat, and little chaos. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And more travel lifestyle vlogs are coming soon. Thank you.